Aloha Fused Hawaii family. Today I'm bringing you something really exciting. I'm so happy to be introducing our girl Kayla. She is amazing just in person overall, but today her amazingness will help you to figure out 5 different ways you can utilize our pareo, our sarong, these lovely little things that I'm wearing here that you can wear on the beach, possibly out, even to dinner. I don't know. We're gonna give you 5 options. I hope that if you didn't know all of these 5, I hope we just show you one new way at least. If you are an island girl and you live on an island, I'm sure you might know 3 of these or 2 of these at least, but I'm hoping that every single one of you watching this video will take away one new way to tie your sarong. So let's get started. Meet Kayla. She's a lot better at this than I am, so let's go. Aloha!
We're going to do like a classic tie, just a quick one. And you're going to take your pareo and you're gonna take like a quarter of it, and then you're gonna have like about like 75% of it here. You're gonna fold it, make a little double knot here. With the excess, you can either just leave it laying or you can tuck her in like that. And then you have a cute little, like, look at me, look how cute I am. Done. Next style we're gonna do, you're gonna have your pareo lengthways. And you're going to wrap it around your body, just like this. And then you can pick any side. And you wanna tie a double knot at the top. And then with the remaining left over, depending on how short you want to have your pareo, you can make it long, you can make it short. I like to go medium. Oh, well, no, just kidding. I'm going long today. Like that. And then you're going to tie double knot again at your hip, just like so. Next style, you're gonna take your pareo again, lengthwise, take the 2 ends here, double knot it, just like so, make sure it's secure, poke your head through, just like so, and then you're going to take the excess here, and however long you want it, but I like to do it like right around my hip area so that it gives me this nice shape, and then in the back, I'm just going to double knot again, just like so. And then you have a cute little, like I could go to dinner in this. Next one, you're gonna take your pareo widthways, just like so. You're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take both ends here and you're going to double knot again. Just like so. Make sure that it's secure. And then when you release it, you're going to have 2 pukas like this. And then you can actually use it as a little cover-up. For this next one, you're going to take your pareo and you're going to hold it horizontal-wise just like this, okay? Then you're going to hold on to this corner. You're gonna grab the bottom corner and you're going to fold it so that it comes as straight across as you can here. So now it's making this little slant diagonal thing. That's what you want. And then you're gonna place your pareo just like so. Take the excess in the back and then tie it to your hip. And then now you have a cute little sexy beach tie.
Aloha, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I'm sure we will come up with more of these videos because there's literally like hundreds of ways to use this, but that was just 5 of our top ways that we wanted to share with you. So enjoy that. I'd love to see photos. Post your photos of the ways you decided to use. Even if you have new ways to use it, ladies, like let us know. Leave it in the comments. Post it on your feeds. Tag us. We'd love to feel like we are there with you. So aloha, thank you again for jumping on our video. We'll see you again later. Bye.